Okay, this is Viewtiful Art, and today we are going to make our own comic book. Here are a few that I have made. So, let's get started. You will need 3 pieces of A4 sized paper, a pencil, a ruler, a rubber, a long reach stapler, and some coloring pencils, or felt tips, highlighters. There are 6 steps to follow when creating your comic. Step number 1, you must have a good idea. Step number 2, you must have a cast of characters. Step number 3, you write the script, something very simple and straightforward. Step number 4, we lay it out. Then step number 5, we draw. And finally, we repeat this. Kids, adults, anyone can follow. A good idea or a concept can come from literally anywhere. For this demonstration, I will be using Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic the comic, whatever you like to call it. So the concept for my Sonic comic was fighting the evil boss, who is Dr. Robotnik, and saving his girlfriend, who is Amy. Character designs, we have Tails. There's another image of Tails. We have Sonic, we have Knuckles, and then we write the script. I had no idea how to make comics 20 years ago, so I would just get the paper, fold it, staple it, and just freestyle the story. Whatever came to mind, and I just created comics that way, and I did that for years. And I never understood why I never finished a comic, and that's because I did not have a script to follow. So it's very important that you have something, a story that is written that you can refer back to. 3 pieces of paper gives you an 8-page comic. Start off by folding the A4 sheet of paper in half, just like that. Yep, perfect. So then we open the comic up from the middle, okay? And then we staple, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Bend it. I'm gonna fold it again. Okay. So when we open it back up, a neat and tidy comic book. If you don't have a long reach stapler, you can always use a regular stapler, a small office stapler. Just like this. Let me show you. 1 and 3. There you have it, your comic book. Okay, so we've all seen Sonic the Hedgehog movie. Did you enjoy it? I enjoyed it. It was good for what it was. It was good. So we'll start off with an S. Just like that. And the O. Just like that. The N. Feel free to copy mine if you like. I. And C. Okay, Sonic. Here's my Sonic character. And then we do the nose. Color it in. Then we do his mouth. Then his ears. Do his spiky hair, just like that. Okay. His gloves. His stomach. We want to flip it over. So next we want to add the blurb. So for example, I would write, you know, new jumps, new dashes, new spins, but most of all, a new attitude. Sonic is back and better than ever. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So once you finish the blurb and just kind of given a short description about what the comic is about, I would then suggest you move on to the barcode. Just draw the barcode just like this. Very simple. Let's just say 0, 5, 9, 4, 1, 2, 2, 0. So written and drawn by your name. We open up to the first page. We will use the script to decide the size of the panels. So it could be Sonic is asleep. So I would keep the first few boxes very small because I don't plan on drawing anything too large. I have a horizontal line and a vertical line. Sonic is sleeping, he's in bed. This is Sonic's bed. There's his nose. There's his eyes. So panel 1, panel 2, panel 3 might even be this big. Okay, so have fun and stay blessed.
If you have nothing to colour in book. Next page. And this is
The Amazing Hero by Isabella, inspired by Mr. Mckenzie.
Mommy knows my mushrooms are. That's how you make your money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just have to fold it like this.
Yeah.
And then you got your book.
Awesome.